In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subitem from your board effectively and effortlessly. Whether you're clearing up old tasks or simply tidying your workspace, removing unwanted subitems can help keep your board organized and easier to navigate. So let's dive right in and guide you through this step-by-step process, ensuring that we're leaving no room for confusion. First things first, you'll need to open your board. This is the board where all your items, including the subitem you wish to delete, are located. Sometimes we have multiple boards for different projects or purposes, so make sure you're on the correct board to avoid any unnecessary confusion later. Now, with your board open, the next step is to locate the parent item. Think of the parent item as the main category or task under which all your subitems are neatly tucked away. It's important to identify this because subitems are grouped underneath their respective parent items. When you've found the right main item, you're ready to proceed to the next action. This brings us to expanding the subitems. To do this, simply click on the small arrow or plus sign that you'll find next to your chosen parent item. This action will display all the subitems nestled under that main item, making them visible and accessible. It's like opening a drawer to see all its contents, which is exactly what we want. Once all the subitems are visible, the next task on our list is to select the subitem you want to delete. To do this, hover your cursor over the specific subitem. You're almost there, just a few more clicks, and you'll have your board looking just the way you want it. Now, with the subitem selected, you'll need to click on the three-dot menu. This icon is usually located to the side of the subitem row and represents additional options. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, look for and select the delete option. This is the crucial step where you'll be permanently removing the subitem from your board. So make sure you've chosen the right one. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. This additional step is there as a precaution to prevent any accidental clicks from causing unwanted deletions. Go ahead and confirm the deletion, and there you go. Your subitem is now successfully removed. And with that, you've learned how to delete unwanted subitems from your board with ease. It's a handy skill to have, especially when maintaining a clear and concise workspace is important for productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.